Jason, and this is my partner. His name is Early.
Here at Ocean Adventure, we are very much concerned about the environment. Even our sea lions wants to do their part to help and protect the ocean, which of course is their natural home. So, is everyone ready to go?
Yes, we are ready.
Good, now let's show these folks how sharp we are.
No problem.
Ready?
Yep.
Attention!
Sophie, what are you doing?
Just to sleep, come on, wake up!
Hey, get up.
I know.
Would you like some fish? Very funny.
Now to work in the field, our sea lions must be strong and physically fit.
Well, there's no problem for Early, the key lions Sophie because they are South American sea lions that are seal. But can you tell? First, they have these big and powerful front flippers. How powerful are they? Check this out. Drum roll, please.
Wow, not bad. You know what? Early can do better than that.
Oh, really?
Yep, really. Okay, so those in the front row of the stadium, Early has a surprise for you.
Alright, so folks, would you like to see more? Come on, louder. Would you like to see more? Okay. Whenever you're ready, and hit it.
Okay. There's another feature that makes them different from a seal. Hind flippers that rotate, making moving on land so easy. Alright, Dakila and Sophie, show them your back flippers, please.
But cruise seals, on the other hand, are very different. They have small front flippers and their back flippers don't rotate, so on land they move a little bit funny.
So folks, tell me, would you like to see Sophie and Dakila imitate a seal? Would you like to? Alright, Dakila and Sophie, show them a seal.
And this is how seals walk. Wow, what a great imitation of a seal. Now show us folks how graceful you truly walk on land. Alright, sir. Akira, thank you so much. See you later. Alright, now Sophie here would like to demonstrate a very important skill that every member of the Sea Lion Marine Patrol must have. And that will be the remarkable self-control. Well, here's what I'm going to do. I'm gonna ask Sophie to lie down. Just like that. And, whoops, stay. I'm going to place 4 very juicy fish. Okay. Right in front of Sophie's face. Now, the rule is she can only eat that. Hey! We're talking about self-control. Alright. Okay. Let's try it one more time. One more time? Okay, come on. Okay, still. Okay, right in front of Sophie's face. Okay, the rule is she can only eat these fish for only one at a time on the clap of my hands. Okay, first fish. Alright, so one of the duties of being a marine patroller is to protect our environment. Did you all know that this plastic bag, fishing line, and fishing net could kill? Did you know that? Whales, dolphins, sea turtles, and other marine animals could easily swallow this plastic bag and entangle with this net. And let's see what will happen next. Alright, come on here. After getting tangled, slowly, oh, they drown. Poor sea lions. But you don't have to worry, there's something we can do. That's why we invited some friends to help us out to our mission to look after the ocean. So assisting is our very own officer, Ruth. Take it away.
Thank you so much, Officer Ivan. And folks, we have invited some friends to help us out on our mission to look after the ocean. Which of course is Sea Lion's natural home. And let's start with this little boy. Hello, what's your name? Kishan. Okay, Kishan, would you like to be a member of the Sea Lion Marine Patrol? Yes, well, to be a member, you must dive into the pool and hold your breath for 5 minutes. Is that okay with you? Well, of course, I'm just kidding. Well, to be a member, you must practice the 3 R's. And do you know what the first R is? Any idea what's the first R? No? Okay, why don't you open the box? Let's see what's the first R. And it's reduce! Well, reduce the amount of trash you make by buying items of larger sizes. Now, did you all know that these 4 small bottles here are equal to this big one? So, you better buy the bigger one, of course. Okay, so Kishan, for being such a great help, why don't you give Early a nice handshake? All you have to do is go on his side, this side. All you have to do is grab the flipper. Come on, just hold it. Come on, hold the flipper and look at the camera. Okay, smile at the camera. Okay, that was a nice one. Thank you so much, Kishan. You're gonna take your seat and enjoy the rest of the show. Thank you. Okay, Early, let's go to the second R. And there's our lucky guest. Hello. Hi, ma'am. What's your name, please? Sorry? Zen. Okay. Jen? Okay, Miss Jen, why don't you open the box for the second R? Let's see. And folks, it's reuse. Yes, we'll reuse items like bags, boxes, and bottles whenever we can. And here's a great tip from Early. Canvas bag, just like this one, can make great grocery bag, and you can even save on papers and plastics. Okay, so Miss Jen, before you go, you know what? Early here has something for you. Do you know what that is? No idea. Well, it's a big, wet, juicy, fishy kiss